So in this video, we are required to find the prime factorization of 420, right? First of all, what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that has just two factor, itself and 1. 1 is not a prime number because it has just only one factor. That's it. That's it itself, right? So to get the prime factorization of 420, we divide 420 by all possible prime factors, starting from the least to the highest till we get to the final value 1. So let's start with 420. Then 420 divided by 2, and that will give us what? 210. Then 210 divided by 2, and that will still give us 105. We can't divide 105 by 2, so we take 3, which is another prime number. So 105 divided by 3 will give us 35. So 35 cannot be divided by 3. We move on to the next prime number, which is 5. Then 35 divided by 5, that is 7. Then the next one is 7 divided by 7, which is 1, which is the final. So in that case, we can say that 420 is equal to what? 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. And this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. So basically, the prime factorization of 420 is what we have here. Please don't just leave this video. Endeavor to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.